Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So it's 16th of October today. You can see I look a bit different. So yeah, no makeup, just a lip gloss, and look at my hair. I have applied oil on my hair, and literally I have applied a lot today. Like, I took out this time for myself. I will just like oil my hair, and also I'll do a very simple go-to skincare routine which I haven't done like in a while. Yeah, I just thought of sharing this with you all today. I have applied this coconut oil. Every Monday there will be a skincare or hair care routine video for you all. That way I can share with you all, and also I can look after myself too. I love to share everything with you all nowadays. All the YouTubers know how hard we work, and I know this month my pay will be really good. So excited to get it. Okay, I'm going to just shower and I'll be right back, and then we are going to do my skincare. This is it, and I thought I'll open with you all and see which shampoo and conditioner I have in here. And I think I have one more box, and literally my kids are using this too. As soon as they will see it, they will take it. I have to like shop around for new shampoo and conditioner, and I think I have to go back to Bondi Boost website and buy some from my link. Okay, this is the box. This is how it comes, very nicely packed, and I'm holding my camera. And okay, whenever I want to like go to shower, there is always something missing from my bathroom. Wow, Happiness Bondi Boost, and this is the thickening shampoo. Yeah, it comes with a conditioner too. So this will last me for long if kids don't use it. Whenever I'm in my bathroom, she will sleep like this in front of the door. Literally, you are so cute. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Ready to attack. Okay, so I managed to set up my camera like this. Going to wash my face first with this sensitive skin wash by Dermal Therapy skin lotion, which came together. Like, I just started to use the skin lotion too together, so like we're gonna be using that. Like, they are really good, and it's easy to find. Like, you can just find it in Chemist Warehouse website. So we are just going to take this product like this. I just take a little bit, but today I took a lot. Yeah, I just applied oil to my hair, and like after washing, I know the oil went on my face. So let's just wash properly. Now I'm going to shave my face, just cause like I have some hair here, if you can see it or not. I think I shared this Sonic Dema blade before with you all. If you haven't watched, so you can just see it again. It's just a blade which removes all the facial hair. Okay, it's like so easy to open close. Okay, it's battery operated, so let's just remove the hair. I don't have much, but it's still I have some. Let me show. Okay, let's see, this much hair came out. Okay, this much came out. I'm not going to do like too much, only this much is enough, and like my brows are all good. I'm going to use this steam, okay? It comes with the measuring cup and you can just fill the water here. I'm not adding any products in here. You can if you want, but I'm just doing it very simple way, okay? Just a little bit of this, okay, we'll fill it up. This thing goes here, this thing goes here. Okay, I got this from Amazon. So let me plug this in here on this first. Okay, here the light is on and we are going to do on 2, then we are going to like move back to 1. Starting. Okay, I'm gonna be taking out this thing because it's blocking, so let's do direct. Okay, wow, I'm gonna do it back to 1 because it's so hot. Wow, I think this much is enough. I just love it so much. Oh my gosh guys, like I feel so good, and I'm going to just let it dry by itself, then we are going to do something else. Okay, now I'm just going to use this microdermabrasion at home kit. Okay, suction thing is here. Okay, lots of different sizes, and like my skin is now sort of loosened a bit, so this product will remove the dead from my skin, and also like oil, bacteria too, whatever comes, dead skin and blackhead, whitehead, everything. This thing will like suck it out. There is an on off button, I think this one, and this one is manual, oily, normal, dry. So I'm gonna do it oily, okay, because like at some spot my skin is oily, some spot it's dry. So let's do oily. Let's do upwards. Can see how it sucks the skin. You should do this with no products on your face. Oh my gosh, so much dead came out. As I said, I didn't do it in a while, and just look at it. This much dead was on my skin. So yuck. If you think your skin is clean, no. If you haven't done this, no, your skin is not clean at all. My skin is so red. Let's see. This was on my face. I'm just going to wash it with cold water. Now I'm going to just apply this JS Health Luminous Vitamin Oil. This will just firm and renew the skin. I even applied this under my eye area. And on top of this, like you can apply a moisturizer if you want to, or you just can leave it like this. So I'm going to just leave it for 1 minute, and then I'm going to apply a moisturizer. I'm going to like have shower again, so that way I'm gonna wash my face again because I'm going out for a walk like in the afternoon with my kids, and my husband too is going, I think, today. I'm going to just apply this sensitive skin lotion now by Dermal Therapy. Just quite a lot of it, okay? Also apply on your neck. I like usually apply a different neck cream, but today just going to apply this because I took out lots. My hair is so curly, like it's been like over 1 week. I washed my hair today. It's literally very curly, as you can see. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked this video. I do post lots of videos. On Saturdays, home reset day video will go up, and on Sundays will be meal prep, and on Mondays will be my hair, skin, care routine video. This way you all will know how I do it, and like sharing everything with you all makes me feel so happy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.